Oh man, we've all been there, right? You're wrestling with a Microsoft Word document, and there's that one header that just will not go away. It is probably one of the most common frustrations with Word. But what if I told you there are a few super simple tricks to take back control? In this explainer, we are going to conquer those stubborn headers and footers once and for all.
You know exactly what I'm talking about. Your document is perfect, the formatting is looking sharp, but there it is, a header or a page number on a page where it absolutely does not belong, and it's throwing the whole thing off. Well, that frustration, it ends today.
All right, first up, let's tackle the most common situation. You just want to wipe the slate clean. Get rid of a header or footer from the entire document. This is your go-to one-and-done solution.
And honestly, it could not be easier. We're talking 3 quick clicks. First, just head up to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, click the Header button. See that drop-down menu? Go all the way to the bottom and you'll find Remove Header. One click, and poof, it's gone from every single page.
And you know what's great? Word was really smart about this. Removing a footer works the exact same way. You just go back to that same Insert tab, but this time you click Footer and then Remove Footer. Simple, logical, and it just works.
Okay, but what about a more specific case? This comes up constantly with things like title pages or cover sheets. You want the header and page numbers on all the other pages, but you really need that first page to be completely clean. So how do you do that without wrecking the rest of your document?
For this, we're going to use what I like to call the single page trick. It's this fantastic feature that's built right into Word, specifically for these situations. It gives you precise control to treat your document's first page totally different from all the others. So here's the secret. Instead of going to the Insert tab, just double-click right inside the header area of any page. That'll pop open the special Header and Footer menu. Now, just look for the checkbox that says Different First Page and click it. That's it. The header instantly vanishes from page 1, but stays everywhere else. Just hit Escape or close the menu and you are done. And yep, you guessed it. This Different First Page option isn't just for headers. The exact same trick works for footers too. Double-click the footer area, check that same little box, and close it up. It is one simple move that solves 2 really common problems. Now, of course, not everyone is using the desktop version of Word. If you happen to be working in your browser with Word for the web, the process is a little different, but it's just as easy once you know where to look. So if you're on Word Online, your game plan is slightly different. You're still going to go to the Insert tab and select Header and Footer. That opens up the editing view, but now look over to the right side of your document for a little button that says Options. Click that, and you'll see the choice to remove headers and footers. One click, and your entire online document is clean. And just like that, you've gone from being frustrated by headers and footers to being in complete command. It doesn't matter if you're on desktop or the web, removing them from one page or all of them, you now have the tools you need. So let's do a quick recap of your new toolkit. For a total cleanup, you go to the Insert menu to remove it all. For just the first page, you use that awesome Different First Page trick. And if you're on Word Online, you use the Options menu. 3 simple methods for 3 very common problems. So, see? The question is no longer if you can fix your document. The real question is, what are you going to master next? Now that you've completely conquered headers and footers, what's the next feature you're ready to take control of?